Tucked away in one of Midtown Manhattan's most prestigious neighborhoods, the Whitby Hotel offers an immersive experience. Located at 18 West 56th Street, just steps from Fifth Avenue, it blends art, comfort, and British charm in a way that feels both playful and luxurious. Every corner of the hotel is a design story, bursting with color, texture, and personality, making it a favorite among travelers who seek character and creativity. To check availability and the latest accommodation rates, refer to the link in the video description. Staying at the Whitby means you're right in the center of it all. Just a few blocks away is Central Park, ideal for a peaceful morning walk or afternoon picnic. The Museum of Modern Art is practically around the corner. A few minutes away, Times Square lights up the night with its electric energy, giant billboards, and buzzing crowds. Perfect for photos, people watching, or just soaking in the pulse of New York. Rockefeller Center, within easy reach, completes the neighborhood's charm. Here's how visitors have described their time at this hotel. The decor, location, and the people. Great location, friendly staff. Easy walk to Central Park and near Fifth Avenue. Every stay at the Whitby Hotel is defined by individuality and style. Each room is uniquely designed by celebrated interior designer Kit Kemp, blending bold colors, rich textures, and curated artwork. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light, while select rooms feature private terraces with breathtaking views of the Manhattan skyline. Guests at the Whitby Hotel benefit from complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, ensuring seamless connectivity whether working remotely or streaming your favorite shows. Designed to cater to both business travelers and leisure seekers, the hotel offers a range of carefully curated amenities. Stay active in the fully equipped fitness center, unwind with attentive room service, and enjoy the comfort of non-smoking rooms that prioritize your well-being. Families are warmly welcomed with thoughtfully designed accommodations that combine elegance and practicality, making every stay comfortable and memorable. Step into a space that feels like a living painting. With its soaring ceilings, bold colors, and a striking 30-foot pure bar, the Whitby Bar and Restaurant is anything but ordinary. Plush, beautifully upholstered banquettes invite you to sink in, while towering warehouse-style windows and doors open into a bright orangery where vaulted ceilings and a skylight fill the room with soft, natural light. The Whitby Hotel offers a selection of beautifully designed event spaces, each reflecting the hotel's signature creativity and refined aesthetic. Whether you're hosting a corporate meeting, intimate dinner, or elegant celebration, these versatile rooms provide a stylish and functional setting tailored to your needs. With bold interiors, advanced amenities, and attentive service, every event at the Whitby is elevated with sophistication, comfort, and a distinct sense of character. You can find all additional information in the link in the description. The Whitby Hotel stands out as a vibrant, stylish retreat amid the energy of Manhattan. With its unique design, thoughtful amenities, and prime location near some of New York's most iconic attractions, it offers a stay that transcends ordinary hospitality. Whether visiting for business, leisure, or a bit of both, the Whitby invites you to discover a stay where comfort meets creativity at every turn.